Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics Grade 4. Quarter 4, Lesson 3. Our topic for today is about number sentence. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies and objectives. First, complete a number sentence. A. To represent a property of operations. Example, 4 plus 3 is equal to 3 plus blank. Commutative property of addition. B. To represent equivalent number facts. Example, 4 plus blank is equal to 6 plus 3. Day 1 to 2. Rules in generating patterns. Let's have first a short review. Look at the two numbers and solve for the sum, difference, product, and quotient. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. 12 plus 9 is equal to 21. 25 plus 19 is equal to 44. 15 minus 7 is equal to 8. 30 minus 12 is equal to 18. 50 minus 25 is equal to 25. 6 times 4 is equal to 24. 9 times 7 is equal to 63. 12 times 5 is equal to 60. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. 45 divided by 9 is equal to 5. 81 divided by 9 is equal to 9. Let's have activity number 1. Pick and match. Objectives: complete number sentences to represent number properties and number facts. Materials needed: worksheet and pen. Instructions: look at the table. Match the pair of numbers at the bottom and write the sum. Number 1, 3 plus 7 plus 4 is equal to 10 plus 4. The answer, 14. Number 2, 1 plus 9 plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 3. The answer, 13. Number 3, 2 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 10 plus 9. The answer, 19. Number 4, 4 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 10 plus 2. The answer, 12. Number 5, 5 plus 5 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 6. The answer is 16. Day 1 to 2. Represent equivalent number facts. Equivalent number facts. Equivalent number facts refer to number sentences that yield identical numerical outcomes or results when computed despite variations in the arrangement or composition of numbers and operations. Example number 1. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Thus, 9 plus 3 is equal to 7 plus 5. Example number 2. 27 minus 12 is equal to 15. 30 minus 15 is equal to 15. Thus, 27 minus 12 is equal to 30 minus 15. Example number 3. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 2 times 10 is equal to 20. Thus, 5 times 4 is equal to 2 times 10. Example number 4. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 40 divided by 8 is equal to 5. Thus, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 40 divided by 8. Example number 5. 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. Thus, 9 plus 3 is equal to 18 minus 6. Example number 6. Determine the value of n in the number sentence. 8 plus 12 is equal to n times 4. Solution: 8 plus 12 is equal to n times 4. That's 20 is equal to n times 4. To get the missing factor, 20 divided by 4 is equal to n. The answer is 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. Therefore, n is equal to 5. Example number 7. Determine the value of n in the number sentence. 64 minus 8 is equal to 25 plus n. Solution: 64 minus 8 is equal to 25 plus n. That is, 56 is equal to 25 plus n. To get the missing addend, 56 minus 25 is equals n. Answer is 56 minus 25 is equal to 31. Therefore, n is 31. Lesson activity: find the value of n so that the number sentence is true. Number 1, 27 minus 6 is equal to n times 3. Number 2, n divided by 7 is equal to 12 minus 8. Number 3, 45 divided by n is equal to 19 minus 4. Number 4, 8 times 9 is equals to 6 times n. Number 5, 34 minus n is equal to 89 minus 78. Now, let's find the n. Let's have the answer. Number 1, 27 minus 7 is equal to n times 3. The answer, 21 divided by 3 is equal to 7. Therefore, n is equal to 7. Number 2, n divided by 7 is equal to 12 minus 8. The answer, 4 times 7 is equal to 28. Therefore, n is equal to 28. Number 3, 45 divided by n is equal to 19 minus 4. The answer, 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. Therefore, n is equal to 3. Number 4, n times 9 is equal to 6 times n. The answer, 72 divided by 6 is equal to 12. Therefore, n is equal to 12. Number 5, 34 minus n is equal to 89 minus 78. The answer, 34 minus 11 is equal to 23. Therefore, n is equal to 23. Here are the answers. Number 1, 7. Number 2, 28. Number 3, 3. Number 4, 12. And number 5, 23. Day 3 to 4. Properties of addition and multiplication. Look at the two numbers and solve for the sum, difference, product, and quotient. 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. 11 plus 9 is equal to 20. 11 plus 19 is equal to 30. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. 40 minus 12 is equal to 28. 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. 7 times 7 is equal to 49. 12 times 3 is equal to 36. 36 divided by 6 is equal to 6. 45 divided by 5 is equal to 9. 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. Study the following. Table 1. Operation. Addition. Number sentence. 13 plus 2 is equal to 15. 2 plus 13 is equal to 15. Multiplication. 5 times 6 is equal to 30. 6 times 5 is equal to 30. Addition. The sum of 13 plus 2 plus 5 is equal to 20. 13 plus the sum of 2 plus 5 is equal to 20. Multiplication, the product of 3 times 1 times 8 is equal to 24. 3 times the product of 1 times 8 is equal to 24. Commutative property of addition. Commutative property of addition states that changing the order of the addends does not change the sum. Example, 4 plus 5 is equal to 5 plus 9. Both give 9, so the order does not matter. Commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication states that changing the order of the factors does not change the product. Example, 3 times 7 is equal to 7 times 3. Both give 21, so the order does not matter. Associative property of addition. Associative property of addition states that changing the grouping of addends does not change the sum. Example, the sum of 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 plus the sum of 3 plus 4. Both give 9, so changing the grouping does not change the sum. Associative property of multiplication. Associative property of multiplication states that changing the grouping of factors does not change the product. Example, the product of 5 times 2 times 4 is equal to 5 times the product of 2 times 4. Both give 40. So changing the grouping does not change the product. Worked example. Instructions. Fill in the blanks to make each number sentence true. Example number 1. 13 plus 19 is equal to 13 plus 19. Example number 2. 5 times the product of 3 times 4 is equal to the product of 5 times 3 times 4. Example number 3, the product of 27 times 9 plus 12 is equal to 27 plus the product of 9 plus 12. Lesson activity. Find the value of n in the following number sentences. Answer this in your notebook. Here's the solution and answer. Number 1, n plus 12 is equal to 32. The answer is n is equal to 20. Number 2, 2 times the product of 3 times n is equal to 18. The answer, n is equal to 3. Number 3, n plus the sum of 17 plus 25 is equal to 51. The answer is n is equal to 9. Number 4, 7 times n is equal to 42. The answer is n is equals to 6. Number 5, n times the product of 3 times 2 is equal to 54. The answer is n is equal to 9. Day 3 to 4, Learners' Takeaways and Formative Assessment. Learners' Takeaways. Think and write. In your notebook, list 3 things you learned from today's lesson. First, properties of addition and multiplication. And second, represent equivalent number facts. Learners' Takeaways. The mathematical skill or skills that I discover within myself while doing the activities that I want to improve most is or are blank because blank. Answer this in your notebook. Fill in the missing number so that the number sentence is correct. Answer this in your notebook. Learners' takeaways, solution, and answer. Number 1, the answer is 3. Number 2, 17. Number 3, 46. Number 4, 4. And number 5, 9.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!